Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at some replacement bands for your Apple Watch Series 2, 3, and 4. Now you can pick these up on Amazon. I'll throw the links up in the description. The prices range from 10 to 40 bucks. Alright, so let's get right into it. First up, let's start with the sport bands. Now these are going to run you about 10 bucks. All three of these watches you see on the table, these are official Nike Plus bands. I'm going to show you the difference between the cheap ones and the official tissue ones. All right, so here we go. Right. Shout out to White Shoes, she got the day off. On a side note, if you got a 44 millimeter Apple Watch, a 42 and 44 millimeter same size band. All right, so here we go. Sport band. Now this one comes in a bunch of different colors. Let's see the difference. Now here's the official Nike band. You can tell because it has that little circle on it. And you can also tell because it says Nike. This one doesn't. Basically, they look and feel almost exactly the same. One is going to run you 50 bucks, one going to run you 10 bucks. Do the math for yourself. All right, so let's slap this one on and see what it looks like. Now, that's one of the best things about the Apple Watch. You can change the band so fast and easy. All right, that slid right through. All right, here we go. Let's throw the other side on. Just like that. Now let me see. Okay, there it goes. Let me throw this on the wrist so you can see what it looks like. Oh, no one. I'm like, why this is not locking into place? Maybe if you don't put it on upside down, it'll lock into place. All right, let's try that again. There it is. All right, let me slap this one on. Oh boy, here we go. Sport band. Let me clear the screen. All right, here it goes. Looks and feels just like the Nike Plus band, but a fraction of the price. Now, like I said, this one comes in a bunch of different colors. Let me show you what the red looks like. Here's a red version. Just so you see that they fit, I'll slap it on the 44. Okay, just like that. Pop this one on. Now I got a red band on the Nike watch. Lock it into place. And this is what it's going to look like on wrist. 10 bucks, come in a bunch of colors. All right, let's keep it moving. We don't lose these. Next up, let's take it over to another version of the sport band. I don't know the names of these. They all kind of cheap. I'll link them in the descriptions though. Okay, now check this one out. Now, on a side note, I just went on Amazon. I ordered a bunch of different watch bands. I was a little under the influence that night, so I don't even remember which ones I ordered. So we're going to go through these together. Now, this is a sport band that actually has a protective housing. All right, so let's see how this fits. Now, I'll just swap them on different Apple Watches. This is a Series 2. Hold up. All right, so this is what it looks like on wrist. I actually like this one. Feels comfortable. Maybe about 10 bucks, bunch of different flavors. All right, let's keep it moving. Next up, we got the reflective bands. Now, if you've seen the new Apple Series 4 Nike watches, this was one of the alternate bands. All right, so let's check this one out. Okay. Let's see. All right, so we'll slap this one on. Let me throw it on the Series 2. All right, now this one is way too small for my wrist. But this is what it looks like. Velcro strap. All right, so I'm going to pass this one off to my daughter. It also comes in a few other colors. We got the green. Let's check this one out. Same thing, but in green. Nice material on this. Let me slap it on this watch. All right, now this one I got the right size. So this is what it's going to look like. Velcro strap. Now, if you shine the light on this, it has a little reflective material, so this is going to be perfect for riding your bike or jogging at nighttime. All right, so let's keep it moving. Let's see what we got next. Okay, check this one out. Now, this looks like some kind of cloth material. Let's see what it is. Okay, here we go. Okay, now this is kind of nice right here. Look at this. Leather and cloth material. Let me do the smell test. Smells pretty leatherish. And it looks like it comes with a little gel skin case. All right, let me slap this one on and we'll see what it looks like. All right, so here we go. Now this one looks nice. Here's that little gel skin case. That covers the whole watch. And you have a nice leatherish and cloth style band for those dress up days. Let's keep it moving. I'll take it off so y'all can see what it looks like one more time. Real nice. Next up, we got one of the Melanese bands. All right, so we'll pop this one open. See what it is. Okay, now y'all seen these bands before with the little magnet. Don't troll me. All right, here we go. Okay, now in the interest of time, I'm just pausing the video, slapping them on, and coming back. Okay, check this one out. Now this is real nice. All metal with a magnet. So this is one size fits all. Just slap it on, grab that little magnet, lock it into place.
It's 10:46. Good morning, pal.
You gotta rock the Mickey Mouse face with this one. Real nice. All right, let's keep it moving. What we got next? Let's take it over to these. Now, I don't even know what this is, so let's find out together. Right. Let's see. Okay. Red leather. Do the smell test. Very leatherish. We'll slap this one on real quick. Just like that. Now, when you're slapping on these bands, just make sure you see it's 3 dots and 3 dots, but one of the dots is silver. That's how you know that dot goes on the bottom. Okay? Now, this is a little bit stiff. Giggity. Let me slap this on. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like on your wrist. Now, that has some nice stitching. Nice leatherish style band. Let's keep it moving. Let's see how easy this one is to take off. No problems. Okay, let's see what we got next. Now, this is from that same company, so I'm assuming this is maybe this another leather, different color. And I assume correctly. We got the tan. Let's slap this one on. All right, here's the brown. Nice and classy. All right, let's keep it moving. Next up, let's see what we got. Now, I don't know what this is. Let's see. Okay, this is a metal band. All right, smartwatch band. Jack Sparrow. Rah. One more. Rah. Here we go. Okay, JE Tech. Limited warranty. This is... Okay, now... What is all this stuff? All right, now this is a little bit of stuff. Maybe that's for changing the links. Hopefully this fits me because I ain't got time for all of that. But basically, just a nice metal band. All right, so we'll slap this one on Series 4. All right, now I'm feeling this one. Simple, classy metal band. Let me slap this one on. Locks right into place. Now, I don't care how big your wrist is. It's going to fit you. But if you got small wrists, it comes with the tools so you can adjust it. Now, I like my watches to swing a little bit. So this is nice. Metal band. This one is about 25 bucks. All right, let's keep it moving. What we got next? I'll save the best for last. All right, we got the high-end smartwatch band. Now, basically, check this out. Woo. Now, I don't remember ordering this one, but this one got that bling bling status. All right, the ice on deck. Now, of course, it's not real diamonds, but who cares, though? It's going to look nice. Let's slap it on. All right, y'all ready for this? Bang. Check this out. Woo. Look at that ice drip. All right, this is the Ric Flair drip. Let's slap this one on. Has the double lock. Beautiful. Now let me grab a little flashlight. Check this out. When the sun hits, 30K on the wrist. Now this is gonna run you about 30 bucks. It's a novelty, but it looks nice. You could probably rock this at night and get away with it. Now, it does come with your SIM ejection tool. Change that band size if you want. Let's look at that. All right, let's keep it moving. Now, I got a similar one for this. Shout out to my daughter. It's her birthday. So, you know, we're going to be rocking the matching Apple Watch with the ice bands. Ladies, check this one out. Look at this one. Now, this was more for the ladies because it got those big rocks. Let me slap this one on. Whew. Now, look at this one. Now, of course, I got this for my daughter, so I can't fit it. Has a little locking mechanism. So it's going to lock in just like this. Put it in and close it. But I'm not going to do that right now. Let me show you what it looks like when you're rocking it. It's going to look like this. Look at all that ice. Let's grab the flashlight and see if we got any reflection. Okay, this is nice. This is cool right here. You know what I'm saying? Ladies, check this one out. Get your shine on. I might have to get one of these, though. I like this. All right, let's keep it moving. Now, I saved the best for last. Shout out to everybody that follows me on Instagram. Everybody was asking me about these. So let me show you the Gucci watch bands. First up, we got the sport versions. Now, they come in the Gucci print. All right, now this is not real Gucci. On a side note, Gucci does not make Apple Watch sports bands. And if they did, they probably cost about $1,000. These is $10. All right, so let's check them out. Simply Pops, you need this. Right. Okay. So this is the white. And let's take a look at the green. Oh, green, the black. Right. Here we go. Whew. Now let me slap these on so y'all can get the full effect. Check these out. Beautiful. All right, let's slap this on so you can see what it looks like. Now it locks just like the sport band. Tuck it in. Extra classy on this one. Now, if you know how to dress, you can easily pull this one off. Trust me. Let me slap on the white one. This is my favorite one. This is actually my go-to band. $10 on this. Let me give you some free advice. Buy a bunch of these. All right, if you wear this in the gym, it's going to get mad dirty and it's going to look cheesy. So I got one that I wear in the gym. It's kind of beat up. Got about 5 of these on deck, so when I get dressed up, I always got one ready to go. Sick right here. Hashtag Gucci Gang. Now we got one more, similar style to this. We got the Gucci theme, but in a cloth band. All right, let me grab a little knife. Here we go. Right. Let's see how this one looks. Okay, now. Okay, matter of fact, let me slap these on. Let's open them up first. Right. Let's see if they're both the same. Yeah, pretty much the same. That Gucci theme. I'll slap them on the watches, though. Now, this one is sick. And with this material, it's going to last a lot longer than the sport band. What y'all think? Let's try on the white one. And I think I'm rocking out with the white one for the rest of the day. Trying to do this from behind camera is a little bit of a struggle. Here it is. Now, when they brand new, they're going to take a minute to get broken in. Just like that. Woo! Yes. This might be for the rest of the day. Anyway, this is the replacement bands for your Apple Watch Series 2, 3, and 4. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early, #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing, I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.